Hey everyone. So finally we have released the most awaited feature, which is single invoice from multiple PO, single inward from multiple PO. Now, how you can go ahead and use that? So, first of all, you need to go to all modules, then go to sales and purchase. Here in sales and purchase, what you need to do, you need to go to all documents. So from now on, you can go ahead and create a single invoice, punch single invoice against multiple purchase order. So how you can do that? Please check for the invoice status and good status. So here is the good status not received and invoice status invoice pending. So I require only those invoices which are pending. So I will sort it here, partial invoice created, invoice pending. Now you need to select the PO from a single supplier. So suppose here are few POs from Brilliant. I will quickly select this from checkbox. Once I selected this, I will quickly just go ahead and select an option of create invoice. I can select option of create inward from here as well. So let me quickly just go ahead and click on create invoice. Now, once I click, please check. This is how the page will open. All the items are here. Now here I will go ahead and quickly just mention the invoice number. Now select the payment date. If the invoice are already created, you can select from here. If not created, you can proceed ahead. Now here the quantity is provided. I will quickly mention the HSN code here. Thereafter, uh, just few detail I need to select. Yeah, going ahead, go below, click on save and send. Once I will click on save and send, proceed anywhere. Yes. Now my invoice is punched against this PO. So please check, system told you that 3 invoices created on a single click. You created the invoice, you punched the invoice, but once you will go to transaction, please check here are the invoices. You can go ahead and check. So system will capture invoices individually, but you don't need to go ahead and create it individually. You can create it in a single flow and accordingly can check that. So similarly, you can go back and then after you can select the create inward option and can create inward against multiple PO as well. I hope this video will be helpful to you with our functionality of single invoice against multiple PO and single inward against multiple PO. Have a good day ahead.